Hello everyone, I want to tell you about IntelliTC, a tool for automating type changes in IntelliJ IDEA. What is a type change? As previous research has shown, developers often change types of different variables and methods in their code. It can be done for many reasons such as library migration, performance or security issues, deprecation, and so on. To perform type change refactoring, in Java particularly, they update the declared type of a program element and adapt the code referring to this element to the API of the new type. For instance, here you can see how the file variables change into paths along with its type-dependent references. Performing a series of such type changes manually could be tedious and overwhelming for the developers. Current state-of-the-art type migration approaches break developers' workflow while working in an IDE or use some external third-party static analysis frameworks like Google's ErrorProne. In all these tools, the user has to handcraft the transformation specifications required to perform the type change. So we present IntelliTC, a configurable plugin for IntelliJ IDEA which automates type change refactoring. IntelliTC uses a set of type change patterns which contain API transformation specifications to perform type changes. Initially, the plugin contains a collection of 59 patterns that were mined from GitHub and inferred by our other tool, TC Infer, but such patterns could be easily added or configured by any user of the plugin. Under the hood, IntelliTC uses different features of the IntelliJ platform to perform type changes in 3 different modes. Classic mode, where it operates as a general code intention. Suggested refactoring, where it tracks the developer's needs to update some type. And finally, inspection mode, where it proactively highlights inappropriate usage patterns of some Java types. Now let's see the plugin in action. Here, I open some test project in IntelliJ IDEA with the pre-installed IntelliTC plugin. Now I could put the cursor on some type element, invoke the context actions menu for the file type, and choose the proposed intention action. The plugin shows a list of supported type change patterns. In that case, let's choose this file to pass, and also suggests specifying a search scope. Let's choose only one file. Then, when we press a migrate button, the plugin runs the refactoring. Well, looks like it worked correctly. Perfect. Also, IntelliTC could track the developer's needs to change some type. Let's suppose I'm changing the type from file to pass again. Here, the plugin shows a pencil icon in the gutter and suggests performing a type change. Let's apply it again. As we can see now, the plugin have also failed to update some references on its own, so it shows them in a tool window, and for some such references, IntelliTC recommends quick fixes. Let's apply it carefully, one by one. Okay, now it looks correct. Finally, the plugin could run a code inspection to clean up your code. It highlights suspicious fragments and inappropriate usage patterns. For instance, here we can eliminate the misuse of the Java 8 functional interface. As the plugin suggests, we can use predicate instead of function of string and boolean. As we can see now, IntelliTC also updates the references API from apply to test call side. We can also open the settings tab of the IDE and see how the type change patterns are structured from the inside. Here is just a JSON file containing the pre-configured type change patterns. Let's pick the first one, file to pass. Here we can see its source type, target type, and also API rewrite rules, encoded as structural search and replace templates. To evaluate the potential usefulness of the plugin, we conducted a preliminary survey with 15 experienced Java developers. We showed them the pre-recorded live demo prototypes of plugin features and asked their impressions. The participants have positively rated the chosen ways of UI envisioning and gave us a lot of useful feedback. They also confirmed our idea of using inferred type change patterns to improve the developer's experience in an IDE in a data-driven way. Well, thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in this work, don't hesitate to contact us.